Okay, Neil Mohan is the new head. We've already talked about this. He's a big shot. I don't even know if we'll ever get him on our show again, Will, now.
Yeah, he's too popular now.
Creators will be able to expand their storytelling and raise their production value from virtually swapping out outfits to creating a fantastical film. That is such a press release word.
Yeah.
Fantastical film setting through AI's generative capabilities. We're taking the time to develop these features with thoughtful guardrails. YouTube hasn't provided any specific details regarding how these generative AI tools will work, but Mohan said we can expect them to roll out to creators in the coming months, alongside undisclosed protections to ensure the technology is being used responsibly. Oh my God. Are we talking about like deep fakes? Easy, easy.
Maybe avatars.
Easy.
You know, like mascots or something.
Following the explosive popularity of and accessibility of generative AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT and DALL-E, many have questioned the ethics and legality behind the tech, with some claiming the data sets used to train such models potentially infringe on copyright protections. AI presents incredible creative opportunities, but must be balanced by responsible stewardship, said Mohan. With great power comes great responsibility. I don't know what that's from, but it's definitely a thing that somebody said somewhere.
Uncle Ben.
Mohan also promised a big new addition to YouTube Shorts later this year. YouTube will roll out a creation feature that allows users to record a short in a side-by-side layout beside an existing YouTube video or short, similar to TikTok's duet feature. TikTok's duets have become one of the platform's most recognizable formats since its release in 2018, so much so that Instagram rolled out its own variant for Reels in 2021. Dubbed Reels Remix. It's a copycat league. You know, one guy's got a thing and they're like, hey, people like that. Let's do one of those.
Yeah.
He's doing stuff, trying to get the NFL on board. Like, he's making moves, putting out these releases, talking the talk, walking the walk. We'll see. Coming months, I'm curious. I'm curious to see what this develops into. The AI stuff is everywhere. I don't know how you do it responsibly. I don't know you get these deep fakes. I mean, they might step on some. Anytime you're trying to do anything different, you might step in a pile. You might step on a landmine. YouTube's been in the controversial side in the past. It's happened. I don't know. It just hasn't been in a while in terms of like big controversy, adpocalypse style. They haven't been there.
Are they due for one?
They might be due for one.
Yeah.
Poor Neil. He comes in, he's like, it was generative AI. Everybody wanted the AI. They all wanted it.
Yeah.
They told me AI. They told me, AI.
Yeah.
And look at me now, in ruins. No, I don't know. Maybe they've gotten better at managing that and being a little more slow about it and saying, try this a little bit. We'll see how it goes. You know, maybe they've weathered the storm, possibly.
Yeah. Isn't it kind of similar to like Snapchat filters or Instagram filters? Something like that? Some sort of AI component that maps your face or something?
Maybe. But again, the level to which they spoke on the topic of sensitivity leads me to believe it might be more powerful.